In this tutorial video, you will learn to share the system file. When the My Files option in the Data menu is clicked, the saved layers are listed in the displayed panel. The sharing screen appears with the Share button on the right of the listed layers, so the layer can be shared with other users. Enter the email address of the person to share in the panel and click the Search button. Then, the authorization to edit, delete, add and download geometry is determined for the layer to be shared. After the authorizations are determined, the file is shared with the selected users with the Share button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.